Hi friends, today we are going to see the characteristics of the carbon compound chapter. So there are the four characteristics of the carbon. First is the catenation, second is the multiple bond, third is the tetravalent, and fourth is isomerism. So let us see the first characteristic of carbon. It is the catenation. What is catenation? Okay, this is the example of carbon. This carbon is bonded. This carbon forms the strong covalent bond with this carbon atom. This carbon forms a strong covalent bond with this, and this is this, and this carbon forms with this, and this carbon forms with this, and it results in the formation of big molecule. The molecular formula of it is the CH3 CH2 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 and CH3. Let us see the definition of this catenation. What is meant by catenation? It is the ability to form strong covalent bonds with other carbon atoms and results in the formation of big molecules, and this property is known as the catenation. Now second property is the multiple bond. There are three bonds, single bond, double bond, and triple bond. Single bond example is the ethane, CH3 structural formula of this is this carbon and 3 hydrogen, and carbon and 3 hydrogen. Here carbon forms the one carbon share the one electron to this carbon atom. Sharing of one electron takes place, and this carbon shares one electron. 3 hydrogen plus 1 electron is 4. 3 hydrogen plus 1 electron, and both carbon atom forms forms one bond, single bond. This is the single bond. Here is the double bond. Double bond means the alkene. Here this carbon shares 2 electrons, and this carbon shares 2 electrons. Therefore a double bond is formed, and 2 electrons plus 2 hydrogen means 4. 2 electrons and 2 hydrogen means 4. The valence of carbon is 4, so there should be the 4 electrons. Here alkyne example. Here carbon share the 3 electrons. This is the first, second, third, and this carbon shares 3 electrons, 1 first, second, third, and this is the hydrogen. Therefore 3 plus 1 is the 4. Therefore this is the example of alkyne, and it forms the triple bond. This is the example of triple bond. Now third property is the tetravalent. Valent means the valency. Valent means the valency, and tetra means the 4. But carbon has the 4 valency. Therefore carbon should share 4 electrons with the other atom. Share means the carbon is able to form the 4 bonds with the other atom. Example of this is the CH4 CH3Cl CH2Cl2 CHCl3 CCl4. There carbon forms the 4 electrons, 4 hydrogen form 4 bonds. CH3Cl means 3 hydrogen plus 1 chlorine. 3 plus 1 4. 2 hydrogen 2 chlorine, 2 plus 2 4. 3 hydrogen and plus 1 3 chlorine plus 1 hydrogen. 3 plus 1 4. And here is the CCl4 means 4 chlorine atoms. Therefore carbon has the 4 valency. Now fourth property is the isomerism. What is meant by isomerism? Isomerism, same molecular formula but different structural formula. Here is example of isomerism is the butane. This is the butane, C4H10. Butane, this is the representation structural formula of butane, CH3CH CH3CH3, and this is the another structural formula of butane, CH3CH2CH2CH3. Now let us find out the molecular formula of butane. Here is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. Therefore C4, and calculate the hydrogen. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, and 9 plus 1 this is the hydrogen. 9 plus 1 10, H10. And in this molecular formula count the carbon, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, C4, and 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10. Therefore H10. Therefore molecular formula is same and structural formula is different. Therefore these two compounds are isomorphs of each other, and this property is known as the isomerism. So students, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, share, subscribe the video. Okay, thank you very much.